Hi, I'm Patti Sampson, founder of EngageMore CRM, the tool that takes the work out of your follow-up. Back in 2004, when I got my license, I was getting thousands of real estate leads, and it was impossible to manage my entire business and raise 2 kids as a single mother. What I realized immediately was that I had to get some good content and the right software so that I can automate and organize my business in a fashion that I could actually sell real estate. And that's why I created EngageMore CRM. What makes EngageMore CRM so much more powerful than all of the other CRMs on the market is that we actually care about what you send. By providing you pre-built drip campaigns, the templates, and the timing to help take the work out of your follow-up. Without automation, there'd be no way I could possibly do my business because we can't be in 2 places at once, out showing homes and prospecting our leads. The internet lead is difficult because we know that the consumers don't know us. What are we going to say? How are we going to communicate? And what are we going to do to get them to remember us when they're ready? EngageMore CRM solves the problem of the follow-up by providing you better content, better systems, and better tools to get you in front of your consumers. And when they're ready, they'll contact you instead of the other way around. In addition, we make it easy to get into your CRM by providing you step-by-step training modules so that you can quickly customize your campaigns and start engaging with your leads fast. EngageMore is for real estate professionals, mortgage industry, entrepreneurs, marketers, business owners, pretty much anybody who's generating any sort of lead that needs long-term and engaging follow-up. Isn't it time to stop spinning your wheels and start using the CRM you're really paying for? Sign up today and convert more with EngageMore.